Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Prima Deluxe S Espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because this hose basically just blew up and we actually had to replace a couple of things. We had to replace the solenoid valve of the machine, the coupling carafe of the machine, and as well as this blown up valve, blown up hose that the machine blew up. We also replaced the micro switches inside the coupling carafe, and yeah, that's all what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Let me see. Okay, let me go back to it. Apologies for that. I am trying to just get an espresso. There you go. Perfect. The machine grinding some coffee is going into the brew unit. The brew unit is pushing all the way to the mechanical valve, and now it's going to extract it. As you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color and perfect quantity for an espresso. I've wired the machine. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working really great. Sorry, my gloves interfere with the touch surfaces of the machine. Now we're going to be testing the steam. The machine needs to get it to a certain temperature, but once it gets the temperature, we're going to see a lot of steam shooting through the steam one, just like now. And as you can see, some nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, working really great. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Prima Deluxe working once again. These gloves working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.